Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by shifting to the smallest rear cog and smallest chainring so the chain is relaxed and easier to work with. Once done, locate the master link or use a chain tool to push out a pin and split the chain. Keep the removed chain to count links. You should also inspect the cassette and chain rings for hooked teeth. If they're badly worn, replace them now because a new chain on worn sprockets will skip and wear quickly. You'll match the new chain to the old chain length by laying them side by side, or use the largest chainring and largest rear cog method to set length with 2 links extra. Then route the chain correctly through the rear derailleur, over the top jockey, under the lower jockey, so it tracks smoothly. Once sized, use the chain tool to connect and pin a pin or install the quick link. Check that each link articulates freely and that the derailleur cage isn't overstretched. You finish by lifting the bike and pedaling slowly through every gear, observing chain line and listening for skipping or rubbing. Make small derailleur adjustments, low and high limit screws and indexing via the barrel adjuster until shifts are crisp. Ensure chain tension is correct and there are no stiff links by flexing them. Lubricate lightly after wiping off excess. If problems persist, check for a worn cassette, a bent hanger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.